welcome back to my channel. Today is the first of our Disney Princess two-part series. Today we are doing the Wreck-It Ralph t-shirts, and basically what these are SVGs that we made for my patrons. Today I'm showing you guys how these look on our princesses during our sleepover. And then if you guys want to see how the bows were made, check out my other channel, my other video, DIY princess bows. Okay, so we did all the t-shirts from Wreck-It Ralph, and then we did all the bows. Although we did not feature all of the shirts in the video, we did make SVGs for all of them. So they're super fun and they're super easy, and I'm gonna show you each one and how many layers they needed and what colors we used. This is just a simple iron-on, layered iron-on, so if you guys wanna know how to layer your iron-on, check out my how to do 2 layers of iron-on. And of course you'll need a Cricut and all that good stuff, but I think you have one since you're watching my channel, so let's get going. Alright guys, so I'm going to start by powering up my EasyPress and letting that heat up, and then I pre-cut all of the designs out. I actually cut and weeded these on a live video with you guys. If you did not know, on Tuesdays I go live and we just hang out and chat, and I'll usually do a craft, or I'll prep a video craft, or just hang out with you guys. So once my EasyPress is heated up, I'm going to start with 1 layer at a time. You'll notice I'm using the mini EasyPress right now. It's just because that's what I had ready to go for this video. But I would actually suggest using a larger EasyPress if you had this. But the new versions of the EasyPress heat up super fast, and I really do love them a lot. So I'm using my glitter. And I like to start with glitter just because it's the most durable, and so any layers I do after that will be able to handle, the glitter will be able to handle the EasyPress directly on it. I don't have to protect it. I actually used our flocked red for the finish each other's part. Then I'm just gonna make sure I do 1 layer at a time here. This is actually 5 layers. So all of the Wreck-It Ralph SVGs are available to my patrons. You guys got a bundle with all of these on there, so you can see which ones are more layers than others. But some of them are like 2 layers. This one is probably the most layered one, but it's doable and it's still super cute. So just slowly layer each layer on and then keep ironing those on. This is just a regular cream. I actually am using the fall pack mostly for this one. All of the products I'm using on the Wreck-It Ralph shirts are from shopantitay.com. If you are a patron, you get 20% off those products. So make sure to become a patron if you do want to make these t-shirts. Maybe this would be something you'd be for Halloween, or you just really love the princesses and you want to make different shirts. These shirts are available at the Disney store pre-made, and they're like $30 a piece. So when I saw that they were selling them, I was super excited that we were coming out with SVGs for them, because I figured if you want to wear these to Disneyland, or if you're getting together with the girls, this is a good way for you guys to bound as Disney princesses at Disneyland. So you notice I protected the other Easy Weed, because any Easy Weed that's not glitter will need to be protected from the heat press or your iron. Again, you can use your regular iron for these projects as well. So this is the Rapunzel shirt. It's the Snuggly Duckling. It is only 1 layer, so it's super easy to do. And this one's my absolute favorite, the Snow White Poison Apple. It is 2 different colored layers. Sorry, I'm cut off a little bit in this shot, but it is absolutely my favorite one by far. If you want to see all the photos, I put all the photos of all the girls on my blog, TAYKOVER.com, and you can see how these all turned out on them, as well as in this video, but the pictures really show all of the design, and that is it.